Just a Baby Bird by Mercer. Little sister and I play in the yard. We hear peep, peep, peep. We find a baby bird, but where's the mama bird? We look. Dad helps. We do not find the mama bird. We tiptoe to the baby bird. We are so very careful. But the baby bird hops away. Dad pokes holes in a box. He carefully catches the baby bird with the box. Let's find the nest, says Dad. We look high in the trees. We look low in the bushes. We look everywhere. We do not find a nest, but Dad gets stuck in a tree. We make a little nest. If the mama bird is near, she will feed her baby. We hide and wait. The baby bird peeps and peeps. No mama bird comes. The baby bird must be hungry. Mom searches online to find the right food. Mom makes dinner for the baby bird. Our bird loves it. We make a bed for the baby bird in an old fish tank. Dad puts a towel over the tank. Now the baby bird will sleep. We say, "Good night, baby bird." Day after day, the baby bird grows bigger and bigger. Our baby bird is so big. Dad says, "Baby bird is too big. I built a birdhouse. Maybe our bird will stay." We open the tank outside. Our baby bird flies away. Where will he go? I ask. Some birds fly south for the winter, says Mom. Maybe our bird will be back. Summer ends. Fall ends too. Winter comes. I always look for our bird. Spring is here. I hear tweet, tweet, tweet. We all run to see. Our bird sits on the birdhouse. He is much bigger now. Look, I say. Our bird has a family too. How cool is that? He was just a baby bird. Now he's a grown-up with a baby bird of his own. The end.